is the problem 6.16 from chapter 6 magnetostatic fields from the textbook Elements of Electromagnetics by Sadiq, 4th edition. The problem is given like this: the magnetic field H is equal to 10 power 6 by rho cos phi a rho ampere per meter exists in free space. Find the flux through the surface described by rho is equal to 1. So phi is varying from 0 to pi by 2. Z is varying from 0 to 2 meters. What is the magnetic flux passing through this region defined by this region? So this is a very simple problem. Let us see how to solve this problem. So what is given? The magnetic field intensity H is equal to 10 power 6 by rho cos phi into a rho ampere per meter. So what it is asked? It is asked to calculate the magnetic flux through the given surface. For that, first let us find out the magnetic flux density. The magnetic flux density which is given by B is equal to mu 0 into H. Since it is free space is given, as you know that the mu naught formula is 4 pi into 10 power minus 7 Henry per meter. Substitute H in this formula, so therefore the B will become mu 0 into 10 power 6 by rho into cos phi into a rho Weber per meter square. The flux density unit is Weber per meter square. Now the magnetic flux through a given surface, so this is a very simple formula. So the magnetic flux is represented by psi. It is given by the surface integration of B dot ds. So this is the flux crossing unit area. So the flux crossing any given area is surface integration of B dot ds. So this is the magnetic flux crossing through a given surface. So we have to use this formula. Now what is the given information? Let us draw in 3-dimensional coordinate system. So this is the 3-dimensional coordinate system: x, y, z. So what it is given? It is given that the surface is rho is equal to 1. So that means the surface is rho is equal to 1. You have to draw, for example, say rho is equal to 1. For example, say this is rho is equal to 1 surface. So this is the phi. This is the phi is equal to 0 degrees to phi is varying from, because this angle is phi. So therefore phi is varying from 0 to pi by 2. Phi is varying from 0 to pi by 2, where we have to draw a diagram of this kind. So this is the surface. So this is the surface where the surface is varying from 0 to pi by 2. So 0 to pi by 2 of height. So z is varying from 0 to 2. And what is the radius? Radius is rho is equal to 1 meter. So what it is asked? It is asked to calculate the flux crossing through this outer surface. What is the magnetic flux crossing through this surface? So what is the magnetic flux? What is the magnetic flux passing through this surface? So what is the magnetic flux passing through this surface? So this is the question. So therefore, for this problem, the ds, because phi is varying, z is varying, the differential elements are d rho d phi dz. So as you know that here the phi is varying and z is varying, or is not varying on this given surface. So what is the differential surface? ds is equal to multiply these two, rho d phi dz, and because we are leaving this, add unit vector a rho. So we use this ds in this formula, substitute b in this formula. So therefore the magnetic flux passing through the given surface is, surface integration means two integrations. What is b? Mu 0 into 10 power 6 by rho into cos phi a rho dot product with what is ds? Substitute this ds here. Rho d phi dz a rho, where phi is varying from 0 to pi by 2 and z is varying from 0 to 2. So in this we can cancel out rho and rho, and a rho dot a rho is equal to 1. Separate these integrals. So therefore phi is given as mu naught is 4 pi into 10 power minus 7 into 10 power 6, right one side, and write integral cos phi d phi in one integral. So where phi is varying from 0 to pi by 2, so only z is there, so z is varying from 0 to 2 dz. So finally we can write it as 4 pi into 10 power minus 1, 10 power minus cos phi is integration sin phi, sin pi by 2 1, sin 0 0. So therefore the answer of this integration is 1. So the answer of this integration is 2. So finally we will get the magnetic flux passing through the given surface is come out as 2.513 Webers. The magnetic flux unit is Weber. So therefore this is the magnetic flux. So this is the magnetic flux passing through this red zone, passing through this surface. So this is the magnetic flux of 2.513 Webers is passing through the given surface. So this is the answer for this very simple question what we have to write in the examination. Thank you.